Hi, welcome back. Steve again from Awesome, and we're back in the training room with another top 5. We enjoyed the last one so much, we decided to do another one for you. And today, top 5 items under £50. In at number 5, Pipercross panel filters. You may have seen another video that we did recently about panel filters. These are a great little upgrade for the standard item, nice and cheap. For most vehicles, these fall under £50. I think there's only one application where they don't. Replaces the original, great at service time, great if you just want to treat yourself. In at number 4, Racing Line badges. Again, a nice cheap little styling upgrade for your car. Of course, chrome won't get you home, but it looks really, really good in amongst the other badges that are in your car. For those of you that are not a chrome lover, available in black, and for those of you with a Cupra Copper. In at number 3, APR dust caps. Well, they are what they are really, aren't they? Fit on your valve stems, look really, really cool. And if you really like, you can have them in silver, black or gunmetal. If you've got a Reliant Robin, you can have a packet of each and have a different one on each wheel. Fantastic. In at number 2, number plate surrounds. One of the most popular items on our website. Underneath £50, a real good styling option. And they, of course, fit the standard EU and UK license plates. In at number 1, Powerflex dog bone inserts. Most people know what these are, and it's generally the first upgrade that people do. These fit in the original dog bone mount rubber and prevent a lot of that movement. They can prevent wheel hop, engine movement, real worthwhile upgrade. Of course, if you've got a high flow downpipe, they're absolutely essential. Under £50, available for different models, different geometers, diesel, petrol, track use. Fantastic. Of course, you can't get a lot for 50 quid these days, but as you can see, there's some absolutely amazing deals in front of us here. Of course, on the website, there are plenty of items under £50. Jump onto the website, give us a call, fill your boots.